Welcome to our holiday hub, everyone. This is Connie Rogers with Vintage House Soap Factory, and I am here to give you a sneak peek of our holiday open house starting this Tuesday at 11 a.m. So welcome. Here is our new signature holiday box. It's a new item designed in-house for 2022 holiday season, completely personalized. This is going to take the guessing out of gift giving. 4 signature scents: vanilla, Christmas past. We have a wonderful collection. It's our signature collection this year, Christmas past, and of course, lavender. Each inlaid with a special greeting card from you and customized to your recipient. Our handcrafted soap box is filled with whipped cream soap, moisturizer, a frothy bath bomb, a mini Mason's soy candle, and a shower steamer. So take a peek, folks. Look at this box. It is absolutely beautiful. It will ship right in the designer box. And all you really have to do is tell us where it's going, and we will ship it to them from you. The card, you can see it. We're going to be sending good wishes to them for the holiday season. And we can sign your name, thinking of you, and just who your recipient is. We can personalize that for you, or you can come in and sign it yourself, and off it will go. Here is our Christmas window, folks. We are so happy about it. We're kind of tired. We've been working on it since August, but it is complete. From Twilight Woods to Christmas Past to Festival of Lights to our beautiful Frosty the Snowman. It is just chock full of Christmas. So come on in, take a peek. We just have lots of different soaps and guest soaps. We've been just working really hard. I think it will be a real treat. Our cranberry collection, always a customer favorite. My son Ben was able to get these mini Masons all handcrafted through a wonderful maker. And I think most every collection has a customized beautiful candle to go with the collection. And then I want to talk really quickly about this beautiful box. We have put together our ends. Every year we have 2 ends come from every single loaf. So once a year we do our soap sampler box set. It is chock full, 20 to 24 ounces of soap. And it's just filled with different ends, a huge variety. And we have it all boxed for a gift set for you to give, or you can just keep it for yourself and enjoy a different slice of soap every day. Okay, of course, we had to do a Talking Proud display. We have our Buffalo soaps. These are huge 7-ounce soaps filled with fresh water-scented buffaloes. And then Chris she works for us, and she's done this beautiful display of handcrafted Buffalo Bills items. So everybody, thank you so much for watching. We will talk to everybody Tuesday, and just have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy holidays to all. Bye now.